computer. My name is Lamba, but you can call me that because I'm your best YouTube friend. And today we're going to be doing something very fun. And again, yes, it is a science experiment. And I like to call it atmospheric pressure versus gravity. Let's go. So for this experiment, I have a glass of water and a playing card, and as you guys can see, it is a Joker card, so if it gets wet, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to put my card on my glass of water, and I'm going to flip it over, and I want you guys to tell me if the card gives way and the water spills or not. Okay guys, so now we're going to do it now. So I'm going to put my card, make sure it's nice and sealed, onto my cup. I'm going to put my hand nicely, and I'm going to flip it over. Okay, now I'm going to let go. Okay guys, so that worked. Amazing. Okay. When I flipped the cup over, the gravity, which is a force that pushes things down to Earth, tried pushing the water down, but the atmospheric pressure, which is the weight of air around us, was, in this case, was greater and pushed the card up, creating a good seal. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below if you guys want me to do anything else. Please put that notification bell on. And if you guys learned something too, great job, because I definitely did. And in this case, we know now that atmospheric pressure won against gravity. Have a good day.